Hello everyone, welcome to Thursday. Today was a slightly up day. The market has actually been trading in a really narrow range for the last 5 trading days, only a 4.5% difference between the highest and lowest point, which actually in an environment like this where we're looking at all these bad numbers coming in is not a bad thing. We are still seeing leadership out of the same categories that we've been talking about. Today, 42 different categories that I'm looking at. Leadership came from Microsoft, health again, cybersecurity again, cloud storage, financial technology, robotics, artificial intelligence. So these are all things that we have in your portfolio or will be adding to the portfolio as we go. And the leadership has been pretty consistent. It is companies with good financials, which we talked about before. I think a lot of people are looking at balance sheets a lot more closely to make sure that these companies can survive. And it's companies that might benefit from this situation and see some cash flow. That is one of the strange things about this downturn. Unlike 2008 or the Great Depression or what have you, there are quite a few companies doing pretty well because they can still operate even in this shelter at place. Matter of fact, some of these companies are doing even better than normal because of this. So that's what's a little bit different about this. There's like this partial economy still working, and the rest is where we're seeing all the problems. And so we are doing really well. I just looked today and our average account is 2.6% higher than the market benchmarks so far this year, which is the highest I've ever seen. And so what we're doing is working, and we'll just continue to go down these paths and wait for the market to show us some direction. So I want to thank you very much for coming and watching me today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.